Are you looking for the best hand saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best hand saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Spear & Jackson 24-inch x 7 PTS Skew back saw. Classic designs remain relevant when it comes to high-quality hand tools. This panel saw from Spear & Jackson incorporates traditional materials and craftsmanship for outstanding versatility in the workshop or on the job site. The 24-inch blade with its lightweight skew back design offers a longer, more efficient saw stroke than shorter saws, as well as excellent balance. The classic triple riveted wooden handle offers a secure, comfortable grip. This is the only back saw we tested that features resharpenable cross-ground teeth and a carbon steel blade. Carbon steel is known for good edge retention and how easily it takes on a keen edge when sharpening. Favorable tooth geometry and 7 TPI make this saw a good choice for both rip sawing and cross-cutting rough sawn lumber. The saw weighs 1 pound 6 ounces. We like the long blade on the Spear & Jackson panel saw. The added length was especially helpful in reducing fatigue while cutting wider and thicker boards. Although we did not make enough cuts to dull the blade that may have taken a few days' work, we would expect this saw to stay sharp longer than the shorter models, simply because a longer blade and more saw teeth means less wear per tooth. On the other hand, this saw cut marginally slower than the Dualt when we calculated the average strokes per cut and adjusted for the difference in blade length. But this saw outshined the other panel saws in the rip saw test, so it makes the best choice for versatility as well as total working life for those willing. Up next in the 4th place is the Lenox HT50 high-tension hacksaw. When it comes to effectively cutting metal, a high-tension blade is crucial to ensure a straight cut. But how much tension is enough? This hacksaw from Lenox creates blade tension up to 50,000 pounds per square inch side to enable making a straight cut through even the toughest materials. The comfortable rubber grip gives the user ample control of this small saw. The saw offers plenty of cool features, including a convenient storage cavity for up to 5 blades and a bracket for a second blade that turns the tool into a jab saw. The saw comes with a 12-inch 24 TPI bimetal hacksaw blade, and it weighs in at 1 pound 9 ounces. We tested the Lenox HT50 on tubular steel pipe, a steel T-post, and for flush cutting 4-inch PVC pipe. In each case, the high tensile strength of the blade bracket prevented binding and twisting, even when the blade became pinched in the workpiece near the end of a cut. It cut quickly and accurately every time. Another nice feature was the option to mount the blade either straight or at a 45-degree angle. The angled blade mounts made it much easier to flush cut the PVC pipe down to the plywood surface from which it extended, without marring the wood. The saw did not come with a jab saw blade, so we tested that feature with a 6-inch reciprocating saw blade that we had in our shop. It worked, but maneuvering the heavy saw body behind the smallish blade felt a bit cumbersome. The 3rd product on our list is the Irwin 6.5-inch ProTouch coping saw. When cutting tight curves and ornate patterns in wood, a coping saw is the hand saw of choice. The Irwin ProTouch coping saw comes equipped with a sharp 20 TPI high-speed steel blade that makes extra clean cuts in hardwoods and softwoods alike. The flat bar steel frame and ergonomic triangular grip provide outstanding comfort and directional control for pro-quality results. This saw comes with a replaceable blade held in place by strong steel pins. Fine and coarse tooth replacement blades are readily available. Simply twist the handle to the left to remove the blade, or to the right to increase blade tension. The saw frame measures 5.5 inches deep with a 6.5-inch blade. The saw weighs 10 ounces. We like the feel of quality and durability from the Irwin coping saw, The flat bar steel frame provided significantly stronger blade security compared to round steel frames on competing designs we have previously used. The thick steel blade retention pins also felt much more durable than other models, and they held their position without twisting as we cut around tight curves. The cushioned handle felt comfortable, and the triangular profile made it easier to control than a regular round handle. The included blade made nice clean cuts as expected. While there are few differences among the available coping saw models, this one offers some nice conveniences and precision cutting ability that users will appreciate. Second on our list is the Suizan 7-inch Japanese Ryoba pull saw. Most Western-style saws cut on the push stroke. This Japanese hand saw flips the script with a blade that cuts on the pull stroke. What's the advantage? Pull saws allow for more precise starts, which help with cutting accuracy. This saw also features a thin blade, allowing it to cut effortlessly through wood. This Japanese pull saw offers two saws in one: a fine-tooth side that makes smooth crosscuts, and a flip side that includes larger, more aggressive teeth for rip cuts. These features make this tool one of the best hand saws for woodworking. Made of premium quality Japanese steel, both blades are extremely sharp and durable. A rubberized handle provides plenty of grip for excellent control. We tested the Suizan Japanese Ryoba saw with a series of crosscuts, rip cuts, and 45-degree angled cuts in oak and cedar. As recommended by the manufacturer, we use the fine tooth edge for crosscuts and the coarse tooth edge when cutting with the grain. With a few careful starting strokes, the saw tracked cleanly and made incredibly accurate straight cuts. The thin blade and sharp teeth worked fairly aggressively, especially considering the high tooth count. The length of the saw, 16 inches in total, and the pull stroke design felt completely different from the other saws, but it was well balanced. It was not a difficult adjustment for us. Another unique aspect of the thin blade was its flexibility, which allowed it to make clean flush cuts without marring the face of a board. With such versatility and clean cutting ability available from one tool, woodworkers could quickly find this as their primary hand saw. Finally, the top product on our list is the Silky Gomboy 240 folding saw. Landscapers and outdoors enthusiasts appreciate the convenience of a rugged folding saw for pruning branches, blazing trails, and cutting wood for the campfire. The Silky Gomboy folding saw offers the aggressive cutting action and rugged durability required for a long working life in the wild. It features a 240mm 9-inch curved blade with 7 razor-sharp teeth per inch, weighs 9.5 ounces, and comes with its own belt carry sheath. This folding saw features an orange rubber overmold grip. It's easy to see when laying on the grass or the forest floor and slip-resistant in sweaty hands or damp weather. The blade locks securely in the open and closed positions for safe operation. Triple-edge ground teeth in a non-set configuration make for smooth and aggressive cutting in green or dead wood. The chrome-plated taper ground blade offers long-term durability, and it's replaceable when it finally wears down. In our tests, the Silky Gomboy saw felt very durable and easily cut through branches ranging from 2 to about 4 inches thick. The folding design and simple spring lever locking device worked smoothly and easily. The inline configuration worked much better than a bow saw in narrow branch intersections and offered similar, possibly better, overall cutting ability. We especially liked the curved blade design. It kept the teeth in contact with the wood through the full range of every saw stroke. This combined with the aggressive tri-ground tooth geometry made for fast, efficient cutting action. We also noted the value of the non-set blade, a hollow ground configuration with a thickness of the blade being greatest at the teeth, slightly thinner along the spine, and thinnest along the length of the midsection. This design feature reduced friction, further increasing efficiency, and prevented the blade from binding in the wood. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.